Foot arthroplasty. Introduction. Tendons and ligaments hold the toe bones together and allow us to move our toe joints. Select true or false. Correct. Toe deformities can be caused by stressed ligaments and tendons in the toe. Select true or false. Correct. Toe deformities can be caused by stressed ligaments and tendons. Is surgery the only treatment available for toe deformities? Select yes or no. Correct. Non-surgical treatments can help treat some toe deformities, but surgery may be recommended when non-surgical treatments are not successful or if the deformity is severe. Does a foot arthroplasty always involve replacing the affected joint? Select yes or no. Correct. The affected joint may be reconstructed or replaced during a foot arthroplasty. The goal is to correct the alignment of the toe. Are infections common after surgery? Select yes or no. Correct. Infections are rare, but they may happen. Bleeding and scarring may also happen. Will you be able to walk on your healing foot right after your surgery? Select yes or no. Correct. You will not be able to walk or put any pressure on the healing foot for a few days. Thank you for using Explain.